Hello guys! Now mag-haul tayo ng O2O makeup. So, ito yung nalagay sa kilay. Then we have the blush. I got it from the shade 5. Yeah, okay naman siya. Then, ganito siya pag na-swatch. Then I also got Fine Mist makeup. We get the Exquisite Mist. Fine Mist. Open natin. Wow. Look at the packaging. Ang ganda ng bottle. And ang ganda ng mist niya, nung spray. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Let's try natin siya i-spray. Ayan. As you can see, very fine. Sana mag-last siya. Then we have the full coverage all day foundation. Of course, O2O pa rin. Ang cute ng packaging nito. Nice. Nice yung packaging niya. Let's unwrap. Nakita ko to medyo liquidy siya. First time ko gagamit ng medyo liquidy na foundation. Tapos may kasama din siyang brush. Okay, let's see what's inside. Yan, wow. It says lasting coverage. Yes, sana nga lasting coverage talaga siya kasi I'm gonna use it to a party, maybe siguro 6-8 hours yung party. Then, kailangan ko mag-makeup ng mas maagap. So, siguro mga 8 hours. At least. Yes, liquidy. Try natin siya spread. Let's check the brush. Yan. Ngayon ako magta-try ng ganitong brush. Ang tagal ko na hindi nagme-makeup. Kasi work from home tayo. Alam mo naman. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-makeup. Powder lang. Lip gloss. Yun. Okay na. Then, ito. Sorry ha. Hindi ako makeup expert. Pero, I'm just trying. So, dito naman tayo sa laking powder. So, also, sabi dito, tumatagal daw to. And, we'll see. Okay, I'm trying to open the package. Ang cute ng packaging niya. I really like it. Wow, hindi ko pa nakikita pero it looks really nice. Aha. Yeah, may pa. I got it the shade number 2. I think ito yung pinaka-safe na shade. Let's try to open. So, inside, of course, you have mirror. Then, there's the cushion. And very, very safe. Dito yung gusto ko, yung hindi didikit yung cushion dun sa mismong powder. Yeah. Medyo nahirapan tayong mag-focus. But yeah, kita nyo naman. Maganda siya, but I haven't tried to apply. Siguro, I'll see if I can make a video for that. But, yes. We'll try. Next, we have the contour stick. Also, contour. Hindi naman ako masyadong gumagamit. But, the expert says we really need the contour, of course, to lift the face and magmukha siyang maliit. Okay, let's try to open. Yan. And sa other side, yung isang shade. Of course, dapat darker dun sa skin tone nyo. So, ito yung shade niya. It looks nice. Looks nice. Sana magamit ko siya ng maayos kasi again, I haven't put full makeup on my face na for a long time. Pero we will try our best. Napakamahal na kasi magpa-makeup. So, wala tayong budget for that. Okay, that's how it looks like. Of course, napakaganda pa rin ang packaging niya. So, next we have the concealer. It's very important to cover the blemishes. Takpan natin mga chismis dyan. And also, para sa under eye. So, let's open and see. Ito rin daw yung one of the best nila sa mga makeup products. So, kinuha ko din siya. Ito yung pinaka-safe din na shade. Yun din yung kinuha ko kasi hindi ko pa alam yung shade ko kay O2O. But, kinukuha ko lang yung mga safe na shade. Okay, again, do not judge. So, yan. Ganyan siya. And they also got free, what's this? Panglagay sa face. I don't know, parang, hindi ko alam kung mask ba siya or what. So, yan. Ayan yung lahat ng nakuha ko. It cost around maybe 1,200. Yan. Lahat sila. Thank you!